Welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi you guys! We have a special guest today. It's Busy Phillips! Yay! Crowd goes crazy. So, Busy, I know you love margarita. Love a good margarita.
Yes.
Drink responsibly, blah, blah, blah. So Josh, what are we going to make today?
We are going to be making Margarita Pretzel Bars.
What?
So good.
All right.
Yeah. All right.
So, should we get started?
Let's get started.
First thing we're going to do is going to crush the graham crackers and the pretzels. Now I went ahead and did this already in the food processor.
Thank goodness.
Right.
Yes. So we'll just go ahead and add this in the bowl.
Yeah.
Great.
And then add the melted
Busy's so ready
butter.
to stir, by the way.
Melted butter?
Yep.
How much?
Just a half a cup. And then 1/4 cup of sugar.
That seems like the perfect amount of sugar.
Yes. All right, so mix that all together.
Okay.
And then we'll go ahead and put it into the prepared baking dish
Okay.
over there.
Yes. You can tell Busy knows her way around the kitchen because she just got right in there.
I do, I really do, but you know what I am? I'm an eager stirrer. You noticed it, and it's so true. Mark sometimes, you know, I'm a baker and he's a cook. Sometimes he'll be like doing some really intense recipe that he found somewhere, and I'll come in and lift the lid on the pot and stir, and he's like, those beans couldn't be stirred for 10 more minutes. I'm like, well, they're stirred now. Do you use your hands, or do you use?
I use my hands.
Okay, I don't want to use mine, but
so
you
I'm
use
gonna go
yours.
ahead and get in there and just pack this down.
Because my nails are too long.
Yeah, so we're just gonna pack this down and then we'll put it into the oven for 10 minutes.
To make our crust.
Yeah, and that's all you need.
I love a pretzel crust.
It's so salty. It's so good.
Ange, did you have a good birthday?
I had a great birthday. Did you have a
Yeah.
good birthday? Do you guys know that we have the same birthday?
Same birthday. It's you and me and Linda Cardellini,
Ricky Gervais.
George Michael, and Anthony Bourdain.
Oh, no.
I know.
Really?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I didn't know
Yeah, we have the
that.
same birthday as Anthony Bourdain and George Michael. And there's some young people now.
And some youngins.
Young people that I don't care about young people.
But happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
June 25th.
Question.
Wait, I have a wedding present for
Wait,
you.
okay, this is so sweet. Busy came to our wedding,
And
and her husband Mark.
And you just celebrated 2 years?
Almost.
I made it under 2 years. I'm proud of myself for that. But this is how I roll with wedding presents. I'm like, I can never get it together before the wedding, and then I'm like, I'm gonna get them something at some point, but this is your wedding present.
That is
That's
so
amazing.
sweet. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Open it now?
Yeah, can we open it?
Sure. Ooh, save that ribbon for Izzy.
Oh, it's good ribbon.
Yeah.
Some good ribbon. Look how
Is it weird that I'm opening your present? I'm like, guys, I'm just gonna get in here.
You're like,
That's
I'm
fine.
gonna stir and I'm gonna open.
All right.
What is this? This is so, I love the paper.
It's two things because you have a big family.
Good.
One is to put your cookies in.
Aw. Oh my God, this is great.
I feel like I always need a giant.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, there you go.
Amazing.
Happy wedding.
Yes.
I love it so much.
You're welcome.
I love it.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
No, babe, you should give Busy what you made her.
You made me something?
All right.
Okay, let's see.
Right.
Guys,
Josh
Okay,
made
my eyes
something
are
for Busy.
we know that you have a book coming out.
I
Yeah.
So,
do. You did not. This is like truly the greatest thing I've ever seen in my
so
life. I'm not gonna eat it though. I want to save it.
I do have a
then
couple
she made
more
two
for
the kids. So they each have one.
Oh my god, Josh, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, okay, here we go.
All right.
Okay, so Pink Cupcake 33 wants to know, how did we meet? How did you and I meet?
Oh, this is a good story. It was 14 years ago.
What?
Yeah, 14 years ago. Emmys.
And there was a fancy after party, and it was at that club Sky Bar.
It was at Sky Bar, which was
Sky
so
Bar.
yeah, very hot LA.
Yes.
On the
From
Sunset
the
Strip.
90s and 2000s,
Yeah.
early 2000s. And I was on a UPN sitcom called Love Inc. at the time, and I had just started dating Mark. We were at this party, but like,
It was kind of lame.
it was kind of lame. The party was kind of lame.
All I know is Jenna and I went together, and she turned to me and she was like, I hate it here and
Yeah.
I want to go. And I said, okay. So we tried to get our car, the valet, and we couldn't get our car. And Jenna was like, I'm gonna go find our car. And I was like, fine. My feet were killing me because I never wear heels.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
And so all I thought was, I've got to sit down. And I saw these like beautiful people like sitting around this table, and all I knew was like, there was an empty chair. And there was no other place to sit.
And so you came over and sat down.
You guys were kind of mid-conversation, so it was kind of awkward. And I just went, hi, I'm sorry, I just need to sit. That's what I said. I said, I just need to sit. My feet are killing me.
And I was like, all right, go ahead, girl.
I said later, you thought, like, who's this nice drunk girl?
I kind of a little bit, yeah, I a little bit thought you were just like drunk and like needed to sit. That wasn't the case. Your feet just hurt.
Then Jenna walked over.
Yeah, Jenna came back.
Jenna came back and she's like, I got the car. And I was like, oh, I've made friends.
Yes.
Here are my new friends. And she was like, okay, I
Yeah,
gotta
great.
go.
We're leaving.
The crust is done in the oven, so now we're gonna move on to the filling.
Great.
Okay.
First thing we're gonna do is put the sweetened condensed milk, the lime juice, and optional, if you don't want it, the tequila and the triple sec.
Okay.
We're gonna mix it all together. I went ahead and made the whipped cream already. So you have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar to make the whipped cream, and we'll fold that in once this is blended together. So you wanna fold in the whipped cream?
Yes.
All right.
Fold it in.
There you go.
I love folding.
Fold it in.
Folding is my trick for waffles too. Whipping egg whites and folding it into the batter.
Right. That's what we do for like sponge cake too.
I feel like you and Josh could have a lot. You guys could.
We could bake a lot?
Without me here, you could have a real moment. Okay, next
Wow,
question.
this
Next
looks amazing.
question.
Okay, this is from Shady Lady XO.
Okay.
Busy Phillips, if you could play anybody from The Office, who would it be?
I feel like I'm kind of a Mindy.
That's pretty good.
Is that true? Don't you think?
Yeah, you're Kelly Kapoor.
Or am I Meredith?
You're the Lush.
Am I kind of Meredith?
Shut up!
Yeah, I feel like I'm Kelly Kapoor.
Yeah.
This is still a little warm.
Oh, is it too hot to do it?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. We're just gonna throw this in the freezer after we're done. So we're gonna put the filling on top of the pretzel crust.
Oh my god, you
and
guys. This
Put it
looks
into the freezer.
So good.
They're so
And
good.
You have to let it be in the freezer for at least 4 hours.
What?
He made a batch yesterday, so you get to have one.
I'm really so excited.
Now that we put the filling on top of the pretzel crust, we're going to put this in the freezer for 4 hours.
4 hours.
At least. Overnight.
And so
fine
we're
too.
going to be talking for 4 hours.
And your life goes by. Next question is from Claus of 21. Claus of 21. I love her. Could she do a little bit of the dance that she did on White Chicks? That part was amazing.
I don't remember the dance from White Chicks. And Jamie King posted like a meme on my birthday last week of me doing it. I remember like, there's something like this. You guys, I haven't seen it in over 10 years and I don't remember the dance.
Next question.
From who? From who?
From who? Miss Jenna Fisher. I want to hear more about her new talk show.
Oh,
Excellent.
me too. Me too.
Guys, well, I'm doing a late night talk show for E, and we're gonna be premiering in the fall. We'll have guests like when you come on to promote your shows or movies or whatever. We'll do musical guests, we're gonna have comedy, and we'll do remote segments and things. One of the things I really wanna do, heard it here first, I wanna like go to Universal Studios with like Kanye West. Do you know what I mean? Like, why am I not riding some roller coaster rides with some people? I wanna come up with some really fun stuff to do with people and take them out into the world.
Go to the dollar bins at Target.
That's exciting for you.
It is. It's exciting. Well, maybe that's what we do.
Yeah. I just like pop in and be like, Busy, I want to tell you what's on sale at Target this week.
I would love it. Like an update. We need an update.
Yeah.
So we only have 3 hours and 50 minutes
Wait,
left to go.
Let's see.
Countdown's on.
Let's see. Oh, here we go. Mrs. C. Joe Connor. What is the craziest, funniest place you've ever cried? Love you, ladies, and Josh.
Oh, thank you.
I cry a lot on Instagram and people really respond to that.
Yeah.
I cry everywhere. Are you really emotional? Since we have the same birthday, I was actually wanted to ask you this.
I like hold it all in and I don't show my emotion and then I disintegrate.
Sometimes displays of sweet humanity make us cry. For instance, we were at a restaurant with my girls, my husband, we were having a lovely time. It was totally fine. We needed to take some of our food to go because the girls hadn't finished their food.
Yeah.
And the waiter came over and they did it at the table. They packed it up tableside, and the way that the waiter was doing it was such care and precision. Like he really cared that we got our food. And I started crying. And Mark knows me so well now that he saw me watching this guy like very gently like scoop up the macaroni and cheese. But it just something about it made me really.
And Mark knew. Mark was like,
He looked at me and he was like, oh, buddy. I was like, I know, I'm so sorry.
he backed it up so sweet.
He was so sweet about it.
Older couples do that for me. Like when I see older couples holding hands, like walking, or like
Totally.
pulling out the chair for her, and you can barely stand up, like that. Like
Josh does whenever, if we're anywhere and like an old man is holding an old lady's hand, like they're like a couple, Josh will go like this to me.
Oh, he's like, it's us.
It's someday.
It'll be us someday.
Someday.
Me, it's like anything with babies. Oh my gosh, this thing that was on the internet of this baby hearing his mom's voice.
Oh, right. Yeah, of course. We all cried at that. Angela. We all watched the baby hear his mom's voice for the first time. I love that you're like, I saw this video. I don't know if you guys know about it. A baby heard its
You mean
mom's
the one that like
voice
everyone's
for the
seen?
first time. I was like, I believe that has 40 million views.
So our Margarita Pretzel Bars are ready.
Yep.
And Josh,
4 hours in the freezer.
while we wait, oh you guys, what did we get you? It's so silly.
This is so exciting. Do you know I love coffee
I do
mugs
too.
from people. My talk show, we're definitely giving people coffee mugs. Who made these?
Our friend Kyle. So Kyle also drew the sketch that Josh put on your cookie.
I love it.
No,
this
this
is
is
so cute. Can people at home buy these?
We are
Almost.
we're getting there busy. I didn't even know what subs were.
I say to Angela, I'm like, wait, so how many subs do you have?
I don't know what subs
You're
are.
like, I don't know. Josh is like, subscribers. Angela, be cool. Please play cool. Okay, so then we grate a little bit of
Yeah, some lime
Zest?
zest and a little bit of salt on
This is
top.
gonna be my favorite thing ever too.
Okay, here
All
we
right.
go. Oh,
Sorry.
it does.
Sorry, guys.
Kind of comes apart. Oh, that was so good.
Are you kidding me?
That was so good.
You guys, make this for 4th of July. This is coming out before 4th of July.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
This is a perfect 4th of July treat. This is so good and
my
refreshing
God.
and delicious and 4th of July.
Yeah.
This is a perfect pool party.
Pool party, busy, sell it, man.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm on board. I love it, you guys.
Good.
Yay, thank you so much for stopping
Oh my God.
by. Yes.
Thanks, Bridgie.
Of course.
Busy, I have known you for so long.
I know, it's crazy.
And I
14 years.
think I do get emotional when I see a person's life arc. You know, when I witness it.
crying.
I remember so many years and chapters of your life. And
Now I'm crying.
I know, but I'm
What's
just like,
happening?
you're a good person and you have a good heart. And I'm so happy that these good things are coming
Oh,
your
I
way.
love you so much, Angela. So are you. I'm the best person, and the best kids, and the best husband who makes all the stuff.
All right,
All right.
yay!
All right. Bye.
I'm gonna Instagram it now.
Oh, good.
First thing you're going to need to do is to crush.
Sorry, we're already not paying
I
attention.
love it. Sorry, we're gonna crush. We're crushing.
Do you guys know? Oh, did I touch your boob?
Yeah, maybe.
I'm sorry.
Oh my
People
God.
get frisky
They
at
get
Halloween.
frisky in the costumes. Role playing.
No,
Oh,
no, I can't.
All
I
right.
can't think
All
about
right.
it.
Family show.
Family show. Family show. You did
A
curse.
couple
Yeah.
times, yeah.
I cursed.
No.
Like, this marriage is off to a great
Yeah,
start.
great.
I've had people, and especially because, as you said, I look so young. I'm kidding.
Angela, you said
I'm
that.
kidding. I didn't say it.
That's all out. That's all edited out. Not appropriate.